Good morning. What's up? What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's doing good. Nungaibiang with Thajay and good morning from here.
Good morning.
How's the night? Last
Excellent
night?
night, yeah.
Excellent.
Good night, everyone.
So this is how we are starting the vlog with a cup of tea. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So I'll just take out my drone and see the Python. I'll just try to fly here. Drone shots and let's see how much can I show you guys. May I take you So yes, the owner of this place,
Hi, Dr. Elivil.
Dr. Aliver.
Yeah.
So anybody who's coming down to Kohima, you can stay. We really liked it.
Thank you.
And I'll
so
put
much.
your details in the description also.
Thank you so much.
So all set to move out from here. And yet again, Nikhil is here.
Hello.
And my luggage are there, but I have to come back because my bike is right there. I have to come back because I'm gonna take a bath. Much needed bath for my bike.
Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thanks, yeah, thanks.
Say bye. Bye. Such a sweet little girl. Let's check it out. Kohima Wall Cemetery, it says. Battle of Kohima. Captain John. Okay. Read the notice. Do not smoke, drink, or consume any item food. Oh, he's just 20 years old. Dorset Shah Regiment, I think these entire Dr. Shah ki Oimal. So if you go to the next one, 1st Battalion, the Royal Berkshire Regiment, in memory of our comrades who lost their lives in the Battle of Kohima, April-July 1944. May they rest in peace.
Unknown.
Royal Berkshire.
So here the Allies were better dug in. They had supply routes from airfields all across the east, northeast. But those guys came through the jungle, and they fell ill, and they lost a lot of people, malaria, etc. So they came here depleted.
Probably made roads to reach here also. Must be hardly
No.
any-
There was no
It's all jungle.
thrust through roads. It's all jungle.
You have all those
So
pictures.
defenses of the Allies were much better. So when they were defeated, they headed back. They withdrew,
But in Myanmar they have support.
and they only 1/10 of the total number of soldiers reached back to Japan. And there they were hung in shame. Not hung publicly.
They had that.
Hanji.
They had that shame thing. Japanese is a very big thing. No?
This was a war between the Japs and the British Army,
Correct.
huh?
Correct.
Which was
This
fought
is-
in
this is the
Kohima.
deciding
In
area.
Kohima.
So many Muslim names.
Burma Rifles.
Sultan Muhammad, Indian Regiment of Artillery.
And the Muslims are all here.
But they're not buried here, but the cremation was done here.
Hanji. The cremation of the Hindus and the Sikh soldiers of this battle was done here. This is a memorial for that.
For that, okay.
homestay do adu dai gi motorcycle le horiba adu local lucy and again riding gears change tawraga ekta thawdara da so directly siditi homestay da unarasi surprise Honda CBR far blade 650 this here let's test ride this man. Looks tall but let's just try. Wow male oh yeah height is khara dilai height ka. Let's go for a spin. Go. Oh, crazy sound, man. Just loved it, man. Snow, eh? Little. Yeah. Oh, the exhaust. It's crazy, man. Exhaust. Nice one. Oh, just loved it, but it's good. But yeah, it's like I would love to try in the plane, no? Where the most open space. But yeah, nice. Yeah. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. What a crazy road. That turn is crazy, man. So yeah, I'm going to hit the main road yet again, and we're gonna go back to Kisama where the Hornbill, the main event is going on. Amuk Hornbill ki main event ma from the Salasi Kisama da. Alright, I think I have passed the traffic. Oh, that was some bad traffic jam, man. But slightly better than yesterday, I guess, since today is Sunday. this is the place we are all supposed to go. See the main venues. So, but I will park my bike somewhere here and have to figure out about the location. I have no idea, man. They are just 1.5 kilometers up there. I stopped here for a while and took some beautiful pictures, and you guys know what to do for photos. Follow on Instagram, I'll write it down here and it's always there in the description. Do check it out. Let's go from here and we'll definitely come back here. Let's go to the homestay we are supposed to stay for today. Let's go. The road is really bad. Yeah, this is the one. It's boys are there. Our jeeps are right there. Nice. This is the place, I think. I'll park my motorcycle here. Let's go up now. Yeah, three. Yeah. No, I'll do it. Don't worry.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're making your tea now.
Thank you.
This is the room. The bottom is there. Yeah.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For the tea.
Yeah,
I'm
sure,
coming.
sure.
Thank
Okay,
you.
fine.
Thank you. So guys, we have finally checked in to the new homestay. Wales homestay. Yeah, it's a little bit down. So I think this is it for this vlog. I think we should end because I don't want to make it too long, and I hope you like it. If you like, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe if you're new to this channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. After this we will be going to the main event area, right? The Hornbill, we are going there. So for that you have to stay tuned and wait for the next vlog to come. For now, mayam kainarasi amuhana unarasi mathangda. Keep loving, keep supporting Desan the Explorer, signing off. Bye bye from here. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.